So first go to title tab, then add default title into the timeline. Right click, go to edit properties and customize your title. I'm going to type the word glitch. Now proceed by changing the font and the font size. Click OK, then go to audio tab and add a digital glitch sound effect. Add it at the start and the end. Then proceed to transition tab, then add pixels in transition at the start. Then add pixels out transition at the end, and make sure you match it with the sound effect. Then go to effects tab and add the following glitch effect, and make sure you match it with the sound effect. Now click the render icon. Now let's see the preview. So that is how you create a glitch effect.